Happy Easter. So, it's been a couple weeks since I checked in. What's been going on? Here's a look. Working with Carter. Okay, so just to even be able to mount safely on Carter has taken a little while, because when I first got him, he would walk off, he wouldn't be still, and it was just scary. So things are going really slow. Y'all can see he's still in the hackamore. He doesn't have a bit in his mouth because he still doesn't like them. But you can also see like how soft his horse is, how he's giving his face, turning right around in the circle. He didn't know how to do that. So that's all really nice. Borrowing my dad's tractor.
I'm trying not to mess that board up and put the door out.
Found another house and bought it, which is going to screw up our plans a little bit, but it was a great investment. Did some landscaping. Luna, take a rest, Luna. You deserve it.